Addition quiz. What is 1 plus 5? 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is 16. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is 13. 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Thank you for being with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel if you haven't. This is it for today. Bye bye.